The following video is going to show you how to use the conversion pack to change from the Dreamline Lite to the Dreamline Tactical. This is how you would change the Dreamline Lite in its standard form using the conversion kit into the Dreamline Tac, and it's really simple. You start off with undoing the stock screw there, off it comes, put that to one side. Then we're going to pop this screw out here with a 4mm, out it comes. Let's give you a close-up of that, like that. Okay, whoop, out it comes. Then there is a little like retainer inside that has to come out. There it is. And then you just need to either grab that like that, or you can just tip it up. Out it comes. And it goes to one side. Then you've got to get, this is like the conversion block that goes on the end, and you're simply going to pop that onto there. I've already got a Allen screw inside, so I'm just going to do the first one up. The first one, grab a second one. There we go. So they're both done up nice and tight. And the good thing is that with this kit, you retain that hammer spring adjuster at the back, which is very nice. Then you're going to get your AR stock. Now you've got to slide the tube out to screw it on. Like that. So there's that. Nice close-up of that. There we go. Then you're going to take your actual AR stock bit and just slide that on the end like that. And then at the end, they're all different, but this just needs a screw putting in the end here, which is what I'm going to do now. Hopefully that can still see me. That's it. There we go. Oh. So now, simple as that and as quick as that, you've got your AR stock. If I do this right, there we go. You've got your adjustable AR stock on the back, and it's a really good sturdy fitting. So that's on there. Then with the tactical stock, you get the Picatinny rail which goes on the top. Very simple. It's going to drop. Make sure you get your cutout for your magazine the right way round. Goes on top like that. And then it's just four bolts. There's one. Two, three, four. Just going to give those two a pinch. Like that. And it's that simple. You then simply pop your scope on. Look, there we go. There you go. That's it. That's how simple it is to go from the Dreamlite to the Dream Tac. If you found it useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and also check out the main channel. I'll put a link below and a card up there where you can see a review on this fantastic gun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.